the birds seem to think that spring is here. I've heard a skylark, the first swallows just appeared. There's leaves on the trees now, but it just doesn't feel like spring yet to me. This nesting instinct is affecting all my mates. They're pairing off now, comparing mortgage rates, planning for their long-term security. Everyone seems so grown up now to me, but I still dream, I still dream, I still dream, I still dream. I wanna write a novel, I wanna headline Glastonbury, I wanna score a try for England, I wanna be something more than me. The birds seem to try to prove me wrong, bombarding me with an avalanche of song. Somehow now the sun is shining through, and I'm coming round to the bird's point of view. This nesting instinct, well, perhaps it's not too late. A long time dormant, it begins to germinate. This year's weddings invite both me and you. Suddenly, I'm feeling pretty grown up now too. And I still dream, I still dream, I still dream, I still daydream. I've started on that novel, I might be going to Glastonbury. Not sure about the try, but when you're around, you make me feel like something more than me. Something more than me. Something more than me. Something more than me.